So, here is a little bit of a backstory. Our local university students asked us to make some parts for them because they are building a sounding rocket to compete in Spaceport America Cup or Europe. They have not decided yet which one they are gonna enter, as far as I know at this moment. So, a couple of years ago they came to us and asked us to make some parts for them, and since then we have helped produce and develop parts both for testing and flight. Until now they have used commercial off-the-shelf solid fuel engines, but they have worked on developing a hybrid engine themselves, but they have now scrapped the hybrid and are going for self-research and develop liquid fuel engine. And since we can make parts rather quickly, we were tasked with making 7 swirl injectors. To do so, we have to make a reamer with a specific tip angle, because trying to make the inside taper with a normal boring bar was not going to happen because of the small size of the part. So what you will see throughout this video is the machining and a little bit more dimensional information about the part. Also, I will throw up some pictures here and there to try to enlighten you as much as I can. I have a simple sketch over here. The orifice here should be 7mm. Length inside 11mm and diameter 11mm inside, and we have an angle here of 60 degrees. The reason why I used the jack stand here is because the diameter is small. This is a quite hard steel to machine. I'm still using light cuts, doing 1mm depth of cut, and I'm just taking off a little bit of material here, but still I like to be on the safe side because I don't want this to end up with some weird taper or something, because this is a precision tool. Here I am making the flutes on the taper. This is not really hard to do. Just taking really small cuts, 0.4 of a millimeter. That was enough. The CAD model that I made called for 1mm depth of cut this way as well, but 0.4mm was enough here, so I went with it. It looks good, so why bother trying to make it worse? Here is the finished product. I just did a test cut in some brass, the material we are making the inner part of the injector of, and this will be nice to work with. The tool is hard enough, it's sharp enough, it's correct dimensions. This will be quite perfect. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.